junior school will be domiciled in primary schools.
Migos,
Yes.
you are answering questions as if you are a minister in office defending a position. You are a nominee minister. The questions being put to you is for you to tell this committee whether what they're asking you, the vetting members, whether what they're asking you is okay with you, or you will institute changes, and in your view, what you will do if you become the minister. Because you are now talking as if you are defending a position you already hold, which is not the case.
Thank you for that guidance. My personal position is the decision to have the junior school domiciled in the primary school is the correct one. And it is a position that if you found it fit for me to become minister, I would enforce. And how would I do that? An audit has been done to determine that there are 16,000 classrooms that are required. So far, 3,500 are under construction, and they're likely to be ready in the next 2 or 3 months. The other 7,500, I understand, are supposed to start in October, and they'll take 3 months. The shortage that will be there then comes to 5,000. This 5,000, then we have to do a systematic check to find out whether the adjacent schools where there will be no Form 1s, the children can go and study in those particular classrooms.
Yes. Yeah. Majority Leader.
Chair, I had skipped asking a question because I had wanted to hear the nominee. Now that I've heard him, and you have put the question very well to him, paraphrased what the Honorable Dawood was asking. And he's telling us that he is confident JSS grade 9 would sit well in primary schools, whereas many of us in this room, because we are dealing with these issues on a day-to-day basis, there are members in Parliament who will tell you there are schools that are 20, 15 kilometers apart. So if you tell us that you will have some kids taken to a school neighboring where they'll be hosted, then I can tell you it's going to be very impractical. And I think the direct question we wanted to hear from you, Mr. Migosi, was maybe just let me start from where Kenyans are asking, because they were asking, you are the running mate of the former cabinet secretary, Ezekiel Machogu. Kenyans have been asking, is this the right person for the job, or is he going to just be an appendage of the person he was running as deputy governor for? You are now telling us that you are confident what had been started before you even get to the ministry would work. And we have 8 classrooms, for instance, in a primary school. Secondary schools have at least 4 classrooms in a single stream school. If you take grade 9 to the primary school, you need to construct a classroom and leave a classroom empty in the secondary school. You will have no laboratories in the secondary schools, in the primary schools, whereas you have them in the secondary schools. You are telling us you need 16,000 classrooms. You said here that one of the challenges, or rather any problem that you have identified in the ministry from the briefing probably you have gotten from the PSS and other ministry officials, relates to funding. So if you have 16